Over the past 3 years, we've been phasing out Phillips screws and transitioning every one of our steel doors to using Torx engineering screws. Working closely with leading manufacturers, we developed a bespoke range that is engineered to match our hardware with absolute precision. Each screw is crafted from A2 grade stainless steel, with T20 and T25 heads designed for strength, reliability, and ease of use. The result is a harder wearing head that's tougher to round off, with precision countersinks tailored to our fittings, and minimal bit changes during assembly or maintenance. Torx screws deliver real-world advantages, with higher torque transmission, reduced cam out, self-centering alignment and long-term durability. It's the level of detail that sets us apart. Every component is carefully considered, because in our products, nothing is overlooked.